Hi everyone, it's Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady. Today I'm at Twin Oaks, number 1217 on Kennedy Road in Daytona Beach. I'm going to be looking at a first floor corner unit. This is going to be unit number 53. And as we walk in, you'll see this has a big open living room, dining room combination. And this wonderful feature of a backslider out to a patio. So we've got laminate wood flooring in the main areas, tile in the bathroom. We've got this galley style kitchen off here to the right, double stainless steel sink, older cabinets, but this does have this wonderful feature of having this back patio area. So you've got a nice concrete slab there. You can have barbecue grill, patio set, what have you. Kind of a nice feature to have a little bit of a backyard area to enjoy. Not all the units here have that. So this is a big, spacious area here. It makes it really easy to work with furniture. Down the hallway here, we've got the bathroom to the right. This does have tile. Tub shower combination, newer vanity. We've got the utility closet here for your air conditioning unit. Oh, somebody didn't quite get their filter in right, your hot water heater. Then to the right, we've got the master. Nice sized room. Again, you've still got that laminate wood flooring, double closet that goes the whole way to the wall on your left. Got a nice linen closet here. And then your second bedroom. Again, this is a good size room, only a couple feet smaller than the master. The closet goes all the way to the right. So nice spacious first floor unit. Seems like the first floor units don't come up as much as the second floor ones. So if you have any questions, just give me a call. Karen Kellerman, the real estate lady. 386-243-2000. Thank you.